Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Start it and let's. Okay, that's the problem. The throttle body was replaced. The throttle body was replaced, and we thought that maybe there is a leak or intake manifold, big leak. Engine computer was replaced also. Sorry. Engine computer. This is what year was? 2000? 2003 what?
Mitsubishi Eclipse.
Mitsubishi Eclipse 2003. Engine computer was so hard to replace. You see, it's there, all the way there. Change the engine computer, change the ignition switch, change all this stuff, take the dashboard out. Okay, and the problem is that the RPM is so high when you start it. Okay, this computer. So now I believe that there is something sucking air somewhere. Huh? Yeah, okay. Even the engine computer was replaced.
You have a smoke machine?
Okay, let's.
You have a smoke machine? We tried smoking, but we didn't see any leak anywhere.
Bring the smoke machine.
You went down with it?
No, that's not. It's a conventional smoke machine. It's not like the one you have.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a conventional. Just push smoke inside. It's not based on vacuum.
Oh.
You may, if you have a chance, maybe you're gonna bring that one, and we're gonna start work on it serious.
That's Victor.
That's a big one.
That's Victor one.
No, I mean it's a big smoke machine. The one you have, right?
Yeah.
I have one here, but I don't believe that can do the same
But
work.
that, I don't think it's that big.
But this is bigger than a smoke machine. It's so big.
Yeah.
It's big. Start it again. That can open. Wow.
Change the mass and see.
You're gonna change the mass for it?
Just slip a mass in. It could be, but
Yeah, because the way it's now, we don't know, but the way it is now. Go. Yeah, the air volumetric sensor for gas. I never see for air. But
yeah.
okay, go with it. But do we have any code for air volume? Any code?
You will have now. Yeah.
So I need to close this shop and run away.
Okay, so we need to.
It's definitely not this.
It's not.
No.
So.
And if you have any socket, it will.
I'm plugging the
Hold on.
the thing.
There is an air coming. That air from the booster pack. You think that is gonna make that thing happen? Yeah. Also could be. Yeah, it could be. It could be. Can you squeeze the booster hose?
Why? You think the booster leaking?
Yeah. Who knows?
If you wanna.
Yeah, because you. Huh? Huh?
that little bit, no, that wouldn't do it.
That's too much air there.
That wouldn't do it.
This one is too much air. A lot of air is going
You
inside.
think so? No.
It's just like, okay. So we're gonna create a complete diagnosis test for this one, and then we'll see what happens.